Welcome back to Grimshaw Aviation. I know, guys, it's been a while since I put out a video. It's mainly due to the fact that the plane that I usually fly has been out of service since July, and we're hopefully going to get that back up and going here soon. A little bit on this video that I've created. It's from a DJI drone that my girlfriend actually bought me, and I hope to make some videos with this soon. And once we get the Champ up and going, we'll be able to make those videos for you and bring you some more content that you guys like, and hopefully we'll be able to expand a little bit more and make some more content that, you know, attracts a little bit more. And I know I'm not the best at video editing, but I do what I can and I'm learning as I go. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you at the end.